Okay, today I'm doing a new pistol review. I've not done a new pistol review unboxing for a while, and as you can see, this is a Winchester 4.5 Special. I'd never seen one before. I went to the firearms shop, my local one, with a view to looking at the Dan Wesson range, and I saw this. I thought, oh no, I prefer this. So that's what I got. It's made by the Daisy Outdoor Products Corporation, under license to Winchester, so they put the name on it. It's got to be a certain standard, and it's made in Taiwan. Box is nothing special, and you get a little booklet, different languages. I won't go through that, and there it is. So yeah, first impressions, it's heavy. It's 2.3 pounds, so it feels weighty. Solid. It's got plastic grips, but to be honest, they feel pretty good. They would affect, but they are actually plastic. It's a 4-inch barrel. It's rifled steel, vented at the top, so it looks a little bit like a sort of Colt Python-esque sort of pistol, but it's not a copy of a Colt Python. Got a cylinder, revolving cylinder that works. Double action. So on double action, the triggers got a fair pull to it, but on single, it's quite nice. There's no play in it, no creep, not snatchy at all. So accuracy should be pretty good with that trigger. It has got a safety, which works, and it's got a fixed front sight and adjustable rear for elevation and windage. The cylinder pops out just like a real revolver, and it's got an ejector as well, so you can actually eject out the magazine, which is an 8-shot pellet magazine. You can't use BBs in this one, only 177 or 4.5mm pellets. I couldn't find any spare mags for this particular pistol, but doing a bit of research, I found identical magazines from Gamo, and they fit in as well. So internally, it's got the same mechanics as the Gamo range. So if you know the PR75s and 776s, it's exactly the same magazine. Also, there's a rarer pistol out there. I've not seen one in the UK, which is the BSA version of this, which is called, what it's called now, Strike. That's it, the BSA Strike pellet pistol. That's done in, it's not blued, it's painted black, but this stainless steel is much nicer. So that's what I opted for. I'm not sure yet. It is going to be low powered. It's only 328 feet per second, according to the box. And if you put in like 7-grain pellets through it, you only look at a couple of foot-pounds, which is low powered, but still fine for short range plinking, cans, and a little bit of target shooting. With a double action, you can have some fun shooting cans as quick as you can, and maybe a little bit of target on a single, see how the accuracy is. So I'll have a little bit of a shoot in a minute and just see what power output it's giving, and see how accurate it is as well. Yeah, I'm quite pleased with it. CO2, so in the grip, similar to the, well, it's exactly the same actually as the Gamo and some of the Dan Wessons. The grip slides back. It's not Bakelite, it's plastic, but it's quite thick, and it feels solid when it's closed. And the CO2 that goes in there is going to be sort of hidden when the grip is closed. The wood effect doesn't look too bad. It's got a nice textured feel to it, finger grips, and it does feel nice in hand. It's quite pointy with the shorter barrel, but this won't be so inaccurate as a stubby. So it's quite nice to have that compromise of a 4-inch barrel, not stubby and not a ridiculously long sort of pistol either. Right, well that's it, and I'll set the Chrony up and we'll see how it performs. Right, yeah, I've been shooting it, put a few mags through it. It's shooting the low 300s. It's fairly cold up here in the loft, so I should imagine on a hot day it probably would hit what it's supposed to hit in feet per second. But yeah, the low 300s. No jams, that's quite good. My Chrony, however, the lighting on it isn't great, so I'm getting a few error messages, but I'll do some measurements now, and yeah, we'll see what sort of readings we get. But I'm getting a few error messages just because the lighting on the Chrony isn't great. But we'll see how we do. Right, that's the first mag. Yeah, so no blotches, none left in the magazine. You probably noticed I shot my Chrony then, which isn't a good thing to do. But what I like about this Chrony Master, you've got a separate reader here, so you don't have to worry about shooting your display screen. I was trying to shoot very low to the readers to get a reading, but I'm cutting it fine, so I'm not going to bother now. I'll just do some rapid fire. Okay, so that was double action. That's alright, not bad. It'll be good fun, so I'm looking forward to a nice hot sunny day out in the garden, and I'll stick some beer cans, tin cans up all over the place, and we'll have some fun with it when the warm weather's here. But that was showing 275 on double action, and like I say, low 300s on single action with a bit of a gap between each shot. So yeah, low 300s, 275 on double action on a cold day. I've put the Chrony away, I've given up on it. It wasn't recording very well. Yeah, I'm pleased with the pistol. It's done well. Like I say, it's not going to be a match shooter. It's not going to be you know, a powerful pistol, but just for a bit of fun, for realism, I think it's great. It's very enjoyable, and you know, it does shoot. It doesn't jam. It's not very powerful, but it is what it is. Accuracy wise, I mean, I'm only shooting a very short distance here, but I reckon up to 10 meters it'll be okay. But when the weather's better, I'll take it outside and give you a proper sort of shooting review. So that was 8 shots single action, and I'll give you 8 shots double. Yeah, so yeah, it doesn't jam at all. That's fantastic. Pellets go through it well, and as you can see, well, it's all on the paper. But I reckon on a nice hot day out in the garden, it's going to be a great bit of fun. Shooting cans, shooting targets. Yeah, it's good. I love it.